And until the 31st of October, the entrance is for free. The nicest view, in my opinion, is the river mouth here. There you have the sea in the back. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Pak Nam BTS station, and the reason that I'm here is because I'm gonna visit the Samut Prakan City Observatory, which is a tower of 180 meters tall at the river mouth of the Chao Phraya, from where you have an amazing view of the city. And I just took the BTS from Asok, and it was 15 stations to get here. It takes about half an hour. This is the newest addition to the attractions in Bangkok. Well, I know it's not Bangkok, this is Samut Prakan, which is a different province. Here you have the walkway that's under construction, and from here you can walk all the way towards the observatory. It's about a 550 meters walk towards the tower, so let's go. Here we are at the main entrance of the observatory. So this tower is 180 meters high, which is the equivalent to, let's say, a 54 stories building. And they started the construction in September of 2012. And it's been ready, I think, already for quite a while, but they never opened it. So now finally it's open. You can get in here now every day from 10 till 5. And until the 31st of October, the entrance is for free. And after that, it's going to be 60 Thai baht per person and 40 Thai baht for the kids. There's also a kids museum here. There's a Children's Discovery Museum. And it starts already with this garden here, where you can find all kinds of dinosaurs. Yeah, so if you come here with your kids, it's perfect. I don't have time to go into the kids museum. They have very limited access, so I wasn't able to get in there, unfortunately. But I can show you the gardens here, and then after that I will bring you up. Yes, a giant among giants, right? So Samut Prakan is a province south of Bangkok, and it's one of the 3 provinces that is connected with the green BTS line. Yeah, I will call this the newest attraction in Bangkok, but of course it's not officially in Bangkok. A few more dinosaurs over there, but let's go in. Let me show you the tower. So there is a registration here for the museum, but if you just want to go up, you can just go and take the elevator. Sawadee krap. So here you take the elevator and you can go to the 23rd and 25th floor, where you can have all the views. So here we are on the 25th floor, and this is the top floor. Here you have an exhibition as well. And if you really want to see the views, it's better to go to the 23rd floor. So the main attraction is definitely here, the 23rd floor. So you can see at the top you have 5 floors, and then down here you have the museum and offices. On the 23rd floor you have a view of the whole surrounding area. Down here you have the Pak Nam BTS station where I just arrived. Then down here the BTS is going in the direction of Pheha. This whole area in front is the Samut Prakan province. And if you go all the way down there, you get towards Pattaya. The nicest view, in my opinion, is the river mouth here. There you have the sea in the back. And everywhere you have these binoculars so you can check out the views. Down here you have the river promenade of Samut Prakan. I made a very nice video there, I will link it in here. And then across the river you have the jetty. It's the jetty that they call the Lady Liberty of Thailand. When people traveled in the early 20th century and in the 19th century, they all came here by ship, and that jetty was the first thing that they saw here when they arrived in Thailand. Down here you have the Pak Nam BTS station where I just arrived with the train. And here you see the skywalk that they built to walk towards this museum. In the far distance you have the skyline of Bangkok. It's a bit foggy at the moment, so you don't see too much. So I can definitely recommend to come and have a look here at the Samut Prakan City Observatory. It's still free until the 31st of October. After that it will be 60 baht for adults, 40 baht for kids. You see I'm wearing my mask now. The thing is that it's not necessary anymore in Bangkok, but I always adapt myself to the situation. Everybody's wearing a mask here, so I just join in. It cost me 48 baht to get here by BTS, which took me half an hour from Asok. So you have to go to the Pak Nam E19 station. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.